Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make ghee in your Instant Pot. For this you're going to need a jar with a lid, a sieve, and at least a pound of butter. I like to use Kerrygold because it's grass-fed. Here I've got 2 half pounds, which I'm just going to put straight into my 3-quart Instant Pot. Now the trick is to use the soup function. This doesn't overheat the ghee, but does melt it. Once you've put the butter in the Instant Pot, close the lid, set it to the sealing position, and hit the soup button. Now I find 15 minutes is enough. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, you can see that the pressure is released and I can now safely open the lid. And inside you'll see we have our golden ghee. Now if you only have 1 sieve, that's fine, but I like to use 2 just to be sure. And then slowly pour it in, trying to keep as much solids as possible in the pot. Here you can see the residual solids from the butter with minimal waste. So here's the final product. This is from 1 pound of butter. Put the lid on this jar and it should stay stable for at least 6 months. So I hope you liked this video. If you did and it worked for you, then please don't forget to like it.